So speak Telugu.
ഇന്ന് ലോകത്തിൽ ഏറ്റവും വലിയ പ്രശ്നങ്ങൾ നടക്കുന്നത് എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് എന്ന് നമ്മൾ ചിന്തിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടോ? എന്ത് കാര്യം കൊണ്ടാണ് ലോകത്തിലെ പ്രശ്നങ്ങൾ?
Have you ever thought why all these big problems are happening in the world?
ഏറ്റവും അടിസ്ഥാനമായിട്ടുള്ള കാരണം
The basic thing,
ആരാധനയുടെ പ്രശ്നമാണ്.
it's a problem of worship.
അത് ലോകം ഉണ്ടായ സമയത്ത് തന്നെ ആരംഭിച്ച ഒരു പ്രശ്നമാണ്.
It started with the beginning of the world.
കായിൻ ഹാബേലിനെ നിർദാക്ഷിണ്യം കൊലപ്പെടുത്തിയതിന് കാരണം, സ്വന്തം സഹോദരനെ കൊലപ്പെടുത്താൻ കാരണം ആരാധനയായിരുന്നു അതിൻ്റെ പിന്നിലെ വിഷയം.
Cain murdered his own blood brother Abel because of worship.
ഇന്ന് നമ്മുടെ രാജ്യങ്ങളായിട്ട് നമ്മൾ തിരിഞ്ഞു നിന്ന് ഈ പ്രശ്നങ്ങളെല്ലാം ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്നതിന് കാരണം ആരാധന തന്നെയാണ്.
Now countries are taking sides and making all these problems again because of this worship.
നമ്മൾ പല രാജ്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ ഇങ്ങനെ ക്രിസ്ത്യൻ പാട്ടൊക്കെ പാടുമ്പോൾ ഒത്തിരി ടെൻഷനുണ്ട്.
When we go to some countries to sing Christian songs, there are a lot of tension there.
നമ്മളവിടെ ചെല്ലുന്ന ഇതിനാണെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ചിലപ്പോൾ അവർ പിടിച്ച് ജയിലിലിടും.
Sometimes they may imprison us.
അങ്ങനെ ഈ ആരാധനയുടെയാണ് ഏറ്റവും അവസാനത്തെ ചോദ്യം എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഇതാണ് ഏറ്റവും പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട വിഷയം നമ്മൾ ഈ പ്രശ്നങ്ങൾ ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്നതിന്.
This is one basic thing that causes problems around the world.
ഇതിന് പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട ഒരു കാര്യം എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ദൈവത്തിൽ നിന്ന് മനുഷ്യൻ അകന്നു നിൽക്കുന്നു എന്നുള്ളതിൻ്റെ പരമമായ ഒരു തെളിവാണിത്.
This is one evidence that humankind is always away from the Lord.
അതിനകത്ത് സാത്താൻ കയറി മുതലെടുക്കുകയും കൂടി ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുക.
And Satan is always taking advantage.
നമ്മൾ ഭാഗ്യം ലഭിച്ചവരാണ്, ഭാഗ്യം ലഭിച്ച ആളുകളാണ് നമ്മൾ.
We are so lucky people. We have got a great
ജീവിക്കുന്ന ദൈവത്തെ ആരാധിക്കാനായിട്ട് നമുക്ക് പറ്റി, നമ്മൾ അതിന് വിളിക്കപ്പെട്ടവരാണെന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഭയങ്കര കാര്യമാണ്.
It's a big thing that we have been called to worship the living God.
അതാണ് അടുത്ത ഗാനം. ആരാധന ഹൃദയം തുറന്ന് ഞാൻ ആത്മമണാളൻ തിരുസവിധേ എന്നതിൻ്റെ ഒരു മനോഹരമായ ഗാനമുണ്ട്. അത് തെലുഗു ഭാഷയിൽ നമ്മുടെ സഹോദരന്മാർ.
The next song is a Telugu song that speaks about this.
ആരാധിന്തും ഹൃദയമു തെരచి ആത്മീയവരുടാ నా ప్రాణప్రియుడా. ఆరాధింతుం హృదయము తెరచి ఆత్మీయవరుడా నా ప్రాణప్రియుడా. సాగిల పడదన్ నీ సన్నిధిలో, సాగిల పడదన్ నీ సన్నిధిలో, నమ్మదతో నిన్నే స్తుతింతు ఆరాధింతు హృదయము తెరచి ఆత్మీయవరుడా నా ప్రాణప్రియుడా. സർവേശ്വര പൊగడిద నిన్నే నన్ను రక్షించ బలి అయితివని. സർവേശ്വര పొగడిద నిన్నే నన్ను రక్షించ బలి అయితివని. నా ప్రభువా నా పరుడా నాకై, నా ప్రభువా నా వరుడా నాకై తిరిగి పరలోరాను నావని. ఆరాధింతు హృదయము తెరచి ఆత్మీయవరుడా నా ప్రాణప్రియుడా. నానాథుడా నిన్నే ధ్యానింతుం, నీకే సమర్పిందు నా జీవితము. నానాథుడా నిన్నే ధ్యానింతుం, నీకే సమర్పిందు నా జీవితము. నడిపించుమునను నిర్మార్గమునను, నడిపించుమునను నీ మార్గమునను. నీ కొరకై సాక్షిగా జీవించన్ ఆరాధింతున్, హృదయము తెరిచి ఆత్మీయవరుడా నా ప్రాణప్రియుడా. సాగిన పడదన్ నీ సన్నిధిలో, సాగిన పడదన్ నీ సన్నిధిలో, నమ్మదతో నిన్నే స్తుతింతు ఆరాధింతు. హృదయము తెరిచి ఆత్మీయవరుడా నా ప్రాణప్రియుడా. No problem.
Say a few words.
Yeah.
I am reminded of a Malayalam singer, Jesudasan, who used to sing gospel songs. Shall we give a big applause, a round of applause again for brother? Because the accent is so perfect, we cannot find fault with the pronunciation also.